Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 25, 2024. 4-star Sudoku. Column C, 4th row, we give 2. So 2 can't come these cells, and 2 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Sixth row and 4th row we give 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 3rd row we have pair numbers 1 to 6. So 1 to 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Or column G, column H we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 3rd row we have pair numbers 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 9. It will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3rd row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Eighth grade. On column A we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column A, column B we have 6. Fifth row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row and fifth row we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 9. Column G, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B and first row we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, column C we have 5. 5 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, 7th row we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, column D, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come. These cells, it will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then third regard, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. First grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Second grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column A, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column A, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Ninth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th grade and 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Column E, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 5th grade and 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.